Okay, everybody, we just got our latest package. Last one in a long time. So, it says open here, open. So, let's open there. Nice tube. Got little foamies on it. Oh, so light. So light.
Wow, that is a tube, Dad.
Alright. Here it is. Look at that. We got the Kastking logo on the end. Rubber butt to it. EVA foam. Like that. So my Crixus is going to go on this one. I'll let the cat play with the plastic for a second. So, this is the Royale Select. I know it's upside down, but that's just the way it's going to have to be. And this is the extra heavy power, fast action, 7.5 foot. It takes 14 to 30 pound line, which I put 20 pound fluoro on my Crixus. And this is their pitching rod. This one right here. And it can handle lures, and the reason I got this is that the lure recommendation is 1/4 ounce to 2 ounces, and I have some fairly heavy lures, so the 2 ounce is what I need. So that's what we did. And one of the first things I do when I get a rod is that I look right down the barrel of all the guides to make sure they line up perfectly, and they do. And as straight as an arrow. My cat likes the very end. Really super lightweight. Oh my goodness, if you got this, you'd be shocked because it doesn't weigh anything. It's got Fuji guides all the way through. They're double seated. They're double seated, so you can see them. You can see them right there. This is a one-piece rod, obviously. Oh, and you got your. I love the hook keeper here. Now on my Resolute, they put it down here, and I find that really annoying. It's the one thing on the Resolute I just want to break off. But other than that, the Resolute is the best rod on the market for spin casting or for spinning. This one right here is the Royale Select. You've got a aluminum tensioner for your reel seat, which is great, and it's big. It sticks out. So as I put my reel on here, I still can tighten it down without having to turn it over and do this. So if you notice here too, we've got an exposed blank right here, right where my finger is, which is really nice. So I can still feel everything that this rod is getting hit on, which is wonderful. I love the colors. Now I know my Crixus is blue and black, so it's going to be red, blue, and black, this combination. So I love that sort of that design there, which is beautiful. Again, this is an extra heavy power, fast action. So I expect a very good backbone on it. Let's see. Yeah. So it's only bending only bending, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, down to the 4th guide. And then for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guides, that's its backbone. So probably a good 75% of this rod is your backbone. And the last 25% is what's going to bend. So it's really, again, you want that for an extra heavy. If you saw the lures that I'm going to be putting on this one, you'll understand why I got this. This will be a deep diving and a top water action rod with my Crixus. And because it can handle such great loads, it'll also be my big game fish rod, which is wonderful. But you've got just a, you can see the red right here. They got a red thread on the seats. So you got a double seat on guides 1, 2, 3, 4, and a single seat on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the last 6. So it's tiny, really tiny. It's going to hold it really tight, right up against it. But the EVA foam handle is not split. It's solid all the way up to the real seat, which is really nice. Nice and good grip to them. And again, it's a rubber butt on it. Wow. Anyway, it's a 7.6 fast action, extra heavy power. This is their pitching rod. Pitching and flipping and frogging rod. That's what this is. So this is the one I'm going to be using for my heavier lures, which I needed. And it can handle my light lures. I mean, a 1/4 ounce. I mean, that's pretty light for an extra heavy power. So this is probably one of the most versatile lines rods that they make, and they make a lot of rods. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll go ahead and put my reel on it, and as soon as the water softens and becomes not ice, I look forward to using this. Anyway, everybody, please subscribe below. Check out the Kastking links that I have there. And don't forget that when you do buy it, sign up for their loyalty program on the Kastking.com site. By doing that, you will get points, and the points will give you free merchandise or gift cards or whatever you want on it. And so, I mean, a gift card, you can buy anything on their website that you want. So, excellent program. It's free to you, and it's just copy and paste your receipt from Amazon. Keep your lines tight, like, subscribe, and I can't wait to do an on-water review with this brand new rod and my brand new reel. Take care, everybody.